What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of KILLZONE Outdoors. So for today's episode, we have my couple trips up to Mille. So we actually made 3 trips up there. The first two times we were all able to catch fish, and I caught the big one at about 23.5. And then our third trip, unfortunately, we went up there and we didn't catch a single fish. You know, we had a couple bites later in the night on the rattle reels, but I don't know, just no fish. So that was a little disappointing. But with that being said, we still did catch some fish. So let's go check that out now. Little. Of course, a rat. There's $1. First fish of the trip.
What do you think it is?
I think it's about 21.5.
Is that over?
Not a bad one.
In the corner of the mouth. It's my first fish of the trip. There he is. Nice. Let's measure him up quick. He's about 17.5.
Nice.
We're gonna get him back down the hole.
He's an eater anywhere else.
Feel him? I think you got this one. Let's go.
A nice one.
That is a nice one. Nice.
Got him?
Oh, he popped out. I felt him though.
Oh! Should have gave it a little more time.
Shut up.
Oh. Oh. Felt it come out?
Yep.
I think you're gonna get it this time.
There we go.
I'd say that's a keeper.
Pretty nice one.
Yeah.
Yeah. 23.5.
Oh, jeez.
Alright, we finally got it after many times of the rattle reel going down. We feel the fish and then it just gets off. We finally got him. And it is a 23.5, so it's a pretty good sized fish. Unfortunately, we can't keep it. He's just a little bit over. But yeah, we're gonna let him go here.
Oh, oh, oh.
He was ready to go. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video today. You know, I know we sure have a lot of fun going up to Mille, and it just didn't really pay off for this year. You know, we still had fun, we caught some fish, we just didn't do as well as we'd wanted to. Hopefully we can have a little bit better luck next year when we go up there. But hey, if you guys liked what you saw, click down here to subscribe, click over here to watch the last video. Thanks for watching, guys.